thanks for meeting me today. I'm excited to hear a little bit more about something that you mentioned to me that you too are excited about. We're both realtors, we're both agents,
Right.
and we are constantly looking at ways to give back to our clients and to add more value to the buyer or seller. And it sounds like you have a program, you've developed a program that does that.
Yeah, it's really a great program, Jerome. I've been looking for a program for sellers, and I'm sure you've had them as well. Sellers that have put their home on the market and just didn't have their home updated, that caused their home maybe not to sell for the price that they initially wanted. So what I was looking for was a renovation company that can come in and help those sellers renovate their home so they can get the true value for the price of their home. Even though it's a seller's market right now, buyers still want that move-in ready home, and they're willing to pay top dollar for it.
So it sounds like you have experts come in and evaluate what gives you the most return for your money, and they do all the work.
Yeah, really, that's it. The seller doesn't need to run to Home Depot or Lowe's or anything like that and fix things on their roof. They actually come in and they look at those things that are going to add a great value to their home, and they'll either replace them or repair them, which is great.
The first question that comes to mind is, what's the cost?
What's
the catch?
Yeah, no, and I said the same thing when I was interviewing this company. So that's probably the best part. So a lot of sellers aren't able to update their home, not because they don't want to, but because it's cost prohibitive for them. They just can't afford it. So this national company will come in, they'll evaluate what items in their home needs to be renovated or updated. They won't charge the seller until closing time. So there's no upfront cost for the sellers at all. The average return on investment is about 201%.
Wow. Adding value, no cost except at the end when you go to sell. That's great. How does someone find more information about this? Maybe see if they qualify?
Yeah.
And how do they contact you?
Yeah, no, great question. They can go to our website. We have a website called TotalHomeSolutionsAZ.com, or they can just call or text me, 480-532-7930. I'm available during the week, weekends, and have them give me a call. I'm happy just to have a conversation, tell them a little bit more about the program, see if it's a great fit for them, and then we'll go from there.
Great. TotalHomeSolutionsAZ.com.
Right.
Awesome. Yeah, thanks for telling me about it.
Yeah, no, thank you. Appreciate your time.